Damn.
People are dropping like flies, bro. Like flies. Shermit, level 9 human rogue dies. His last words, do you mind? Question mark.
I'm doing it. Let's just go look at it so you guys can get an idea of what killed my rogue. Yeah? I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse into the reality that murdered Summit 3.
Bro, I see locks and like little short fucking gnome locks, and my skin starts to crawl. I start to like cringe. I get so fucking mad. Kind of like I think that he's still here. You know what I mean? I have PTSD from that little short bitch.
He's still alive, I'm pretty sure. I got him on my friends list. He's not on right now, but I seen him on like at level 18, I think the most he was.
Man, fuck him.
If I don't see him on in the next couple days, I'm assuming that motherfucker's dead. I whispered to him yesterday and said, I'm watching you. I said, when you die, I'll be there.
Yo, that's my boy right there, bro. That's my boy right there.
Yeah,
Hell
just let
yeah.
him know. Just let him know.
Let him know he's on the watch list. I appreciate that, dude. I can't really say shit because after I died, he fucking messaged me, so I can't do nothing about it till he dies, you know?
I got you. All right, I'm visiting the death grounds of my rogue.
Good luck, my friend.